DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Walking through the desert. It's been some rain. Usually this is all dry as a bone. The creosotes are starting to get flowers. Look at that. You know, there's a beetle that looks exactly like one of these. He must have evolved somehow, but I've seen them, and they look exactly, they're a little bit bigger. These buzzballs are a little small, but they're a little bit bigger than that. But just a beetle looks like that, and it's got some legs on it. Isn't that weird? Ooh, new flowers. There's going to be a lot more flowers. It's supposed to be rain. Well, it's raining now, but we're supposed to get a shit ton of rain. And then this whole desert's going to bloom. I mean, you're going to see stuff thigh high out here. Grass. Grass. It's pretty, huh? Look at this. There's almost a lawn here. There's an oasis out here in the desert. Looks like there's some trees and palm trees. There's nothing else out here. Let's see what we got. Oh, those are cattails. They're dried up, but that means there must be water. Mesquite tree. There's water in here. It's a little bit dry, but that's wet.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got a, if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and